In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use mic on your MetaQuest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the MetaQuest 2 has a built-in microphone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly enable it and make sure that it works. So you will be able to use your microphone on any game that supports that sort of input. So to use your microphone that is built into the MetaQuest 2, first, make sure that it is not muted. As silly as this is, some people will have this feature or this setting enabled, and because of this, they aren't able to use the microphone. So go into the settings. When you access the settings, choose the sound category. So go settings and then sound. Inside of sound, you will be able to find the option to mute your microphone. If you don't see it here, look elsewhere, but usually it is going to be right underneath the sound category. And now you can make sure that this option is disabled. As long as the option to mute your microphone is disabled, it will be active and good to go. With the microphone enabled, you can try getting inside of any game and seeing if it works. Your voice should be able to go through and everyone should be able to hear you. If it doesn't work still, then the next thing to check are the permissions. So while inside of the game, you can go over to the settings once more, choose privacy and safety, and then you will be able to select permissions. You will have permissions like location, nearby devices, and spatial data, but of course the one that matters for us is going to be microphone. So choose the microphone option, and in here you will be able to enable or disable your microphone for specific applications. So whenever you are playing something like Gorilla Tag, Roblox, or any other title that supports microphone input, you need to make sure that your microphone has permissions inside of that specific game or application. And as long as it is enabled on that app, you will be good to go and everyone will be able to hear you talk. I hope I was able to help you on how to use mic on MetaQuest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.